It's a Singer model 31-15 industrial sewing machine. This machine comes with the industrial table with the attached light and the thread holder, the spool holder. This has the clutch assembly and a power switch, as well as Westinghouse AC motor that purrs very well. Again, this is for industrial sewing. It was purchased from a car manufacturer that used it to make convertible tops. Still in working condition. There's this bending light that works. Heavy machine, local pickup only. The belt system is very secure, and everything's in working condition. I'll go ahead and flip the motor on. Do a very quick demo so I don't run it. You can see the bobbin assembly when I take the belt off. Everything is here. It's a very solid, strong machine. Alright, so I'll go ahead and flip it on, and then use the foot pedal. Demonstrate this power of this machine. Has this knee clutch here that disables the bobbin. Machine does work quite well. Runs very well at a nice slow pace or quickly. Everything functions as it should. I'll go ahead and turn it off. Has the knee clutch, very solid Formica top cabinet. Alright, thanks very much for looking. I also have some other Singers. There's a Red Eye in the Tiger Oak case, as well as a nice portable industrial 1591 from 1951. Alright, well, thanks for looking. This auction features this vintage 31-15 industrial Singer sewing machine in working condition. Thanks for looking. Please email me with questions and check out the pictures.